This is Maasai Mara TVC. Maasai Mara is in Narok County, Narok East constituency.
Kenya Coast National Polytechnic is located in Mombasa County in the coastal region of Kenya.
Welcome to the Rift Valley National Polytechnic in Nakuru County, Kenya.
That is line 1, line 2, line 3. And now this one is representing the three phases.
This room was just a lecture room. We had no machines in this room.
This is engineering. If you say you are building a car, we need to see a car moving. If you're saying you are building a motor, we need to see a motor running and conveying particular load.
The need was equipment because we could not be able to offer practicals without the necessary equipment.
Under the program of Colleges and Institute Canada, a need analysis was done on the skill gaps that are there between the trainees that we produce and what is required in the industry. And it was realized that the trainees need to have more hands-on training. That is why they assisted us to come up with what is required for us to bridge that gap.
The change came about after the Siakan partnering with us, and they happened to donate the machines to this institution.
The Di Lorenzo delivered various equipment to Kenya Coast National Poly, specifically the electrical department. One of the sectors that equipment was delivered is the renewable energy, that we receive various solar installation equipment. We also receive motor control, PLC, programmable logic controller, workstation, process control system with us, among other equipment that were delivered, including the toolbox to facilitate trainees and trainers in their undertakings during a training of industrial control installation system.
I can say we received immense support. They assisted us in installing. Thereafter, they took our trainers through the use of the equipment for 5 days.
Supplied by Di Lorenzo company. So in this section, we are going to show students the construction, the operation, and applications of machines in industries. When we say the constructions, we see this is an open lab, so a student is in a position to see the internal parts of a machine.
We received base stations. We received both soft and hard copies of training manuals, which are assisting us so much. We received measuring equipments, and so much. In fact, we can say we got more than we bargained for.
Here is a different kind of automated sensors. Proximity sensors, water level sensors, intercom, talking about timers and smoke sensors, and also automated kind of lamps.
This here is a power supply. It inputs three-phase, and you can output a variable three-phase from 0 to a maximum which is 380. So we have 4 pieces of this. So these ones help us to run motors.
And this switchboard, besides being delivered here, because it is a very high-powered switch gear, it is able to carry around 600 kiloamps, which means that it can be able to power a big or a small size industry. And that is why we are saying this is one of the special equipments that was delivered to us.
These equipment are, in fact, state of the art. You rarely come across within this cost. So in most cases, all those institutions that are doing the technical courses, specifically electrical, they normally do a request, they utilize, in most cases, over the weekend and the holiday.
We have another equipment that was generated, which is the monitor, the computer, which is installed with software, which uses simulation, practical. exercise when we want to take our trainees through practical is one of the helpful equipment that was donated by the Diroreso.
This equipment helps us a lot because we are doing the maintenance practically, we are doing the installation practically, so we are confident that when somebody calls us and they're like, I want you to do the solar installation for me, I'm very confident from the beginning until the end that I'll do the installation perfectly.
I want to say that the equipments are quite user-friendly, particularly to the female students, female trainees, because of even the attires that we received from your partnership. The attires, they are compliant, they are agreeable. They can just be able to climb over some good heights, get over the radar, come down with a lot of comfort.
When I walk out here in the hostels, people tell me, you're doing electrical engineering, the way you're small, everything, blah, blah, blah. Haters say things. So I'm encouraging myself that I can do it.
The number of trainees, the female trainees, it has actually increased.
Since we got these equipments, we have gotten an increase in the enrollment. Initially, the enrollment in the department used to be about 200 students, but now it's over 800 students per term.
If things are to be said in black and white, we still need another lab to accommodate the big numbers that I have set now.
Right now we are talking of enrollment of over 80 students, where we used to be having enrollment which was below 50.
We are very actually grateful for these machines. The reply that we have had from the industry that whatever we give as under the electrical engineering department, they are very conversant due to the supply of the equipment through the Di Lorenzo.
We've really enjoyed interacting with the machine. If I compare the previous way of teaching and the current one, actually it's more of practicals.
We would have taken so many years to get such kind of equipment.
These equipments are encouraging us a lot. I thank you so much on the behalf of the trainees.
Before the partnership, the college did not have sufficient equipment and did not have well-trained trainers. This was a serious gap that needed to be narrowed down, which has been taken care of by your partnership.
And we are hoping that we will have better collaboration in future as far as you supplying the necessary equipment is concerned.